Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular set of videos we are talking about PERM and the EB2 or Advanced Degree Professional category. Now some of what I'm going to talk about in this one is the basics of how to get the PERM moving, which applies whether it's an EB2 or an EB3 category, meaning either a master's degree or just a regular bachelor's or 2 years experience. Now first, the employer must register, okay? Now only an employee or owner of the employee entity, not its lawyer or agent, may register to use the PERM system. That's the Permanent Online System for Electronic Filing of Labor Certification Applications. Now, to register, the employer must go to, here's the website, it's icert.doleta.gov. Now, the iCert Visa Portal System, which actually version 1 came out in April 2009, is where the registration is submitted with an individual who has actual hiring authority for the employer and basically hiring and firing authority, and that person must be listed under the employer contract information section of the registration page. Now the employer can create sub-accounts for attorneys or agents. So like if I'm having representing a company, I'll have them go online, register, and then create a sub-account for my firm so that I'm able to then go on and process what needs to be done. Now, just so you know, the employer cannot establish a sub-account for a subsidiary of that firm if they have a different federal employment number or an EIN. So, one account per EIN. And what happens is it's very important that the employer do this and that they respond to the email from the Department of Labor within a certain time, because if they don't, then you're not going to be able to use the electronic system. You're going to have to send the paperwork in through snail mail, and it's going to take much longer and be much more difficult to do everything. So this would be the first thing that needs to be done in order for the PERM process to get going and in order to be able to ultimately file under the electronic system. Okay, more on the coming videos.